What if I told you that in 2025, you don't need a job, a degree, or even a boss to earn over £100 a day right from your home? AI has completely changed how people in the UK make money online, and today I'll show you 5 free AI tools that can help you start earning from day one. No experience, no investment, just smart tools and your creativity. The first tool, and probably the most famous one, is ChatGPT. People in the UK are using ChatGPT to write articles, social media posts, YouTube scripts, and even ebooks. You can offer writing services on websites like Fiverr or People Per Hour and charge between £30 to £100 per project. The second tool is Kittle.com, a free AI design website. You can create t-shirt designs, posters, and logos within minutes. Next is Pictory.ai, an amazing tool that turns text into professional videos. You can write a short script using ChatGPT, then paste it into Pictory. Tool number 4, Durable.co, an AI website builder. It can create a full business website in under 1 minute. Many freelancers use it to build websites. Finally, we have Copy.ai, the secret weapon of modern marketers. It writes ads, captions, and product descriptions in seconds. These 5 AI tools are completely free, and they're helping thousands of people in the UK earn money every single day. Subscribe for more AI side hustles and money tips every week, because the future of earning is already here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow Money Minds for more money tips.